Let's go to James in Ocala. James, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Hi, Mr. Olsen.
Hey.
So I have kind of a two-part question.
All
I'm
right.
looking to get remarried, and I'm wondering, one, how do I protect any of the assets that I bring into the marriage from anything that may come out of the shadows from her past? And two, how does this affect the execution of my will, that if I pass away, I have everything going down to my children as taking ownership?
So, James, I want to make sure I understand part one of your question, but it seems to me that you're indicating that, hey, you get married to her, she's got some creditors from the back where she owed money to people. Could her creditors come after your assets? The answer is no. Her creditors can only go after her assets. Now, James, the other thing I thought you might be talking about is how do you protect your assets in case you got divorced down the road? And, James, the way to do that is through a prenuptial agreement. Now, James, the other thing you brought up is this, is that here in the state of Florida, by the very fact of being married, your spouse is now entitled to at least 30% of your estate. So, James, if you got married and now you've got had a will that says when I die, I leave everything to my children, your new wife could step in and say, I don't care what his will says, I want what I'm entitled to, and that's 30% of everything. The way around that as well, James, is a prenuptial agreement.